Mr. Q5. Today we're gonna unbox Serrano Ham from Spain. We got this from Costco. It's on sale, 214. No. It was 149.99, and now tapos na yung sale, so it's 249. So let's see. This is included. I believe this is the stand. Then there is a knife. And finally, it's heavy. So the hook should be here. It's missing. I don't know why. Supposed to be there is a hook here. Okay, I'll be back. We're gonna put this together and then we'll be back. Okay, we're back after an hour of building this thing. It's missing the screw. It's missing all the necessary tools that need to be put together. But here I go. The skin and the fat. There you go. It's there now. So we can try it now. Let's see. Wow. Real deal. That's nice. It's okay. It's good for Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you, and